Hello everyone. So I promised a couple of days back, or in fact last week I guess, that I will talk about how I modify my org reveal presentations. Now when you're using org reveal, it is a wonderful way to create a presentation, a simple HTML based presentation, and it might not be for everyone, but I think for me, for my needs, I think it is simple and it works really nicely. And the way it works is, of course, it will generate this HTML file, but along with HTML file, it will also have its own JavaScript so that your HTML file will look like a presentation. So you can do a lot of wonderful things. Now, I have been talking about org reveal. I've made several videos on this, but I want to, of course, show how I have modified few things and how I have done things that I really want to do, but of course, not really trying to overcomplicate. Because if you want to create some complicated presentations, just use something like Beamer, which is more suitable. So what I want to do today is I want to show you how I added two columns. For example, when you're using org reveal, you will not really get two columns. You will basically get something like this, just a title on top, and then of course the actual content, which is great. But if you're talking about presentations, sometimes you want the image to be on the left hand side and then the text on the right hand side. So this is something that org reveal will not do without some hacking. So let us do that. So basically what I want to show you is if you're trying to create a presentation using org reveal, just do one thing in your content. For example, if I show you this particular image of mine, which is on the left hand side on my org reveal, but when I'm trying to do it using org file, all you need to do, you need to insert this begin underscore left column. So basically anything after underscore is going to be your class, and whatever you have in between is going to be enclosed with that particular class. So basically when this image is output is generated, or when the image is out on the HTML file, it will have this left hyphen column. So I can show you if I do inspect element, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but basically you can see this left column here. So similarly for the content on the right hand side, there is another class which is nothing but my right column, and you just need to simply begin it and then end it, and that is it. So this is going to basically, you can also insert like HTML tags, but I prefer this. And when I'm working with org mode, org file, I want to keep it as org file. I try not to insert HTML, but this works really nicely, to be honest. And all you need to do once you are done with this, you can then use a very simple HTML like this to specify the left column width and float it on the left hand side, then specify the right column width and float it on the right hand side. And if you have like a center bottom, basically I also have, like, whenever I'm doing this layout, I also have this center bottom where I am doing nothing. I'm just clearing the float, and that is it. A very simple way to, I know you need to have some CSS in this so that you can modify it further, but you can do a lot of fancy things, by the way, with this. But I think try not to overcomplicate. The whole idea of using org reveal is that keep it simple, keep it very simple and easy to use, so that you can manage it. And that is it. That is all I want to talk about in this video. I know a short video, but hopefully I have helped you and given you some ideas and thoughts on how to improve your org reveal presentations. All right, that is it. That is all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.